so let's do the root mean square speed. So RMS speed, so just calculate the RMS speed U of an N2 molecule at 25 degrees Celsius. So first I'm just going to write down like kind of like data information. So we've got a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, right? Which in kelvins is, we had 273, so it's 298. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. We know we know we're looking for U, the RMS speed. So the RMS speed is going to be in meters per second is the label that we're going to want that in. So if we think about it, we're going to be using this, the U equals the square root of 3 RT over the molar mass, the M. So we've got a temp. We need a molar mass. So the molar mass for N2, yep, is 28 grams per mole. But remember, we want that in kilograms per mole, right, for this specific equation. So we're going to move the decimal 3 to the left, so we get, yep, 0.28 kilogram per mole. Good. Let's see. We need an R factor. So we're gonna use the same R factor unless they give us some really weird labels. But we're usually for this one we're always going to use the R factor. That's the 8.314 joules over moles K. And now it really just becomes plug and chug. So U equals square root of 3 times the R square roots over all this times the temp. Okay, and then all of this is over the molar mass in kilograms per mole. That. And we do the math, and that kicks us out an RMS speed of, ouch. Well, okay, so this comes out to be like under the square root, it's 265454. So 0.1429, blah, blah, blah. And the label on this technically is meters squared over seconds squared. Okay, and then when you take the square root of that, you're actually taking the square root of this and that, so we're going to get 515, and then our label is now meters per second because we did the square root of that. So that's our answer. Okay. So just to be honest, like these aren't, it's not super hard. You have to watch your algebra, like order of operations and stuff like that. And then also the other thing you really have to watch is your labels. Make sure you're putting them in the right labels so everything falls out the way it should. Okay.
Wait, did we just do the problem that was over here?
What's that?
Did we just do the problem that was on the bottom of the page of our notes?